Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to upload financial data into SKU Science to enhance your forecasts. Let's start by checking if any financial data is already available in your account. Go to the navigator, select any item, and open the General Information tab. As you can see, I currently have no data in the financial section. Now let's upload some financial data. Here's a sample file I'll be using. It includes a part number column, as well as columns for cost and unique selling price for each item. Uploading this is easy. Go to the Data Upload wizard and click Upload SKU Data, then select your file. Since this file doesn't include any dates, I'll skip the date configuration step. You'll now see a preview of your data. Next, check the column mapping. Make sure that your file's columns, like item cost and selling price, are correctly matched to the appropriate fields in SKU Science. Also, we want to map this information to the part number, so we leave it as it is. Once everything looks good, click Confirm to start the import. After the import is complete, return to the navigator, select an item again, and check the General Information tab. You'll now see that the financial data has been successfully populated. That's it. You've now uploaded financial data, which will help improve the value of your forecasts and better evaluate forecast accuracy. Thanks for watching.